obi amagom n'ihe na-akpọtụ na be onye eze Jizọs gogo na-efifi a. Naanị mkpọkọ na-akụ onye ọbụla n'ọnụ. O nwetara vidiyo biko tụsabi ya o.
And he said, if I call his name, I'm going to have him. Oh, the name cannot be moved.
Only for well, net property 500 million. Only for billion. I want not 1,000 million. Because how packaging came when it was zero. Now, God is Jesus, a canon as it according to him water. As you joke with Dibia, I don't know Eze Jesus and Ketaria direct. Never will call for town, no Bachacona. Elder brother, loading and offloading, call them in a new pass. Because can imagine a drop back a number, so when you make it a load. So I'm going to $1 million, over 1,000. Because it will never. Camera Magayat and the Eze Jesus, a car release here. But it was not what I was. Naraba, you seem to join us a big package. The Ebuka package in the windows you were. Watch your video. Right now, as I was talking to you, Evan look it up and Onye Eze Jesus. After this video,
not to say
support what would you
not to say
I can't number. I can't number the screen. Her number shows on the screen. Open it to be a beautiful and I can put to do Onye Eze Jesus. He has a reason. Well, if that 1 year why about all that for your direct. On 1 year why
when I want Oya to set up, he say he will deal with me. Don't worry. Ofeke sit up. Okay, look at all very soon.
So I'm a this video. If I didn't know Onye Eze cook a load of one where I'm ever one shot ever one way all pass a package. Onye Eze was
this is how they are putting other people in high job.
Very good.
All the too bad. All the too bad. Eze Obi. Anna sold 10 billion.
If you're stuck in your career, you're not alone. If you're looking for some inspiration, you might want to check out Udemy. The courses include practical hands-on lectures that you can actually apply in your day-to-day work.
I don't want you to have a constant. Okay.
Top
O is making his money. Napia cannot click off now. They share the telecast. You will hear in the hard way. When you are busy destroying Igbo and will warn you people, you claim that we enjoy the powers. Oh, more than we are. Nobody fought me and made the same. I am spiritual world. I'm in charge. My prayer for Onye Eze to come out like Akwa Okuku, but up to you learn a lesson. Back on the nation one. Let I will play the video for you. Share the telecast. Share the telecast.
If not for anything, too tender.
Follow my page. Follow this is my new page. And though Ofeke sign on set this is my new page. Follow it. I just have 2 pages. This one and Prophet David Yahweh to cook at it. And we shall see a video. Maybe only a man can unlock only a man can. And what are among them? He and the other can listen and new pass. What I know from whoever to rest, why I walk up for you. Only the people West can hear Yamaka. You go flow up and I know why I live up and
Biko ọnọdụ unu ga-eweta onwere onye abana na ife si ike kịta. Biko kunu zọpụta ndụ nwanne unu nwoke. Biko n'ọdago n'ọnwụ na ndụ na ife abọzi ife egwuregwu. Nwena anyị unu si unu biko ụmụ Chineke biko n'igbo nwa ndị ọrụ na-ege m ntị kịta ma nwoke ma nwaanyị ma ụmụazị ma okenye. Onye ọbụla ma na ndụ felo human being na-eji mma biko ka ọ gbata ọsọ enyemaka.
Ọ bụrụ na ị tụrụ egwu Chineke Chukwu apịawa agha azụ. A na-agwa unu ncha na-efe arụsị ma ndị na-efe Meri unu atụrụ egwu Chineke siri na eke ndị agha ọ ga-apịawa unu azụ. Ọ bụrụ na uju na afụ I told you, I need Bible big and nobody that destroy Igbo land that will go scot free. Jiri camera Akwa Okuku and Onye Eze Murife. And they kidnap one of Matthias now.
So many of you want the one video and my life only go see there. What a family at time is wow. Onye Eze Jesus.
Okongu Dibia is okay. Let us hear from Okwake. Okwake, Japan. Oh, now we maybe see a Sabbath or look at Sabbath. I will your job. Oh, no, Onye Eze. Maybe see a Moka. Onye fuzie nke ga na mmiri osina oya ka you have to thinking na me and Onye Eze the same. Can never the same. He's a friend to Ebuka, he's a friend to Akwa Okuku. He's a friend to Japan. Where is Jen Sagobora? All of you can be able to contribute that money and give it to him. Oh, Kwaka Japan na Jen Sagobora. It was in Zion ministry. I have the video. The idea of planning how they would destroy the Yahweh. That's in Dibia was also with Dibia. See how the criminal is. Instead for him to call is that the GO Ebuka be called Akwa Okuku to contribute money. He is now channeling you to people that they don't know.
So,
you people are multi-billionaires, so she contribute the money and pay for Onye Eze ransom. She your cultic member.
So who you have never done what we family need them shim. Oh, Babylon is under shim with a family because okay, the local will not have
okay, then I the confess okay that I will. I told you people are going to learn the hard way. I want to move Ofeke. I want to do Dibia. When I think I can video, more coming. Okay, that's all. That's all. Original, I keep myself.
So, I'm reason why and I just wait to for so long like this because hammer now men I will roll and be men in Kimera and be men in Kimera and everything. Down roll the agenda so Hannah men's the boys so yes Jesus. If no program coming for myself, I want the boys making boys billionaire. So
making boys billionaire. God said, he that mock God will be perish. Remember your evil days. All of you. all of you, you are destroying Igbo land, including you, J-Pack. Support all Church of Satan, support all men and occults, support all no kid. Listen to me. I am not happy that Onye Eze Jesus. But what about if I have died when Onye Eze Jesus planned to kill me? I don't know. Many of you will think we're joking here. I told you I am a spiritual warlord. You forget that now between me, my war, and Akwa Okuku that brought separation of Onye Eze. When Onye Eze tried me, I destroyed his power. He's confused. I told you, go and watch the video I made. I told you Onye Eze will be very poor because I saw when he was begging money. If you like, I can call somebody on phone now to testify what I'm telling you. The day I have the revelation, I told him, look at Onye Eze, he's begging money. That was last year. It's coming to pass now. Nothing I say that will not happen. Ebuka Obi, like Ebuka Obi down. Nothing I say that will not happen. You go borrow leg. Ebuka Obi, you go borrow leg. Forget. If you like, have all the whole connection. I am the spiritual warlord. As long as I call you, he try me. Only one that try, nobody that try me. When they arrive, go scot-free. I am in charge. I am the Lord on the earth. Nobody go and ask question. Do all your fasting, get all your juju, go to Vatican, go and enjoy more Freemason. My problem Freemason. Mary, Queen of Heaven, they run for me. I do the Lord for me. I've killed over 300,000 demons. When I said it, you think I'm joking. Before years, this is why Akwa Okuku said he's giving powers. How many of you remember the video that I made first? You know, I don't comment on social media. It's because of the challenge of Akwa that make me to come out. I said, okay, since now you people have decided to destroy an Igbo, I will be here to tackle all of you up. I was on my own, facing Dibia. I leave the pastor people because I have fought pastors 2018, TB Joshua, Buchiri, Jeremiah, Obatengel, name them. All those fake pastors, when I bought their things. You think Jeremiah have not tried me? All of them have tried me. And said it on air. I'm Jeremiah, TV Joshua. You people don't know me that time. You only know me because of Akwa Okuku. But you think I'm joking. When I didn't you see the video I brought out? Called Dumeje. No, Dumeje for going in Anambra State. I know they talk so anything that they tell you, I can show you and they tell you as it is. I know they come to make mouth. I told you, you don't know me because I'm money. I signed to save Ndigo. God they told me that I should forget about the money things of this world. That is what I sacrifice. So I cannot have money more than me and have power more than me. Tomorrow I will bring the video of Onye Eze when he was threatening me. David. Reason why I put all those pictures here, those men, starting from Akwa Okuku, is Onye Eze Jesus' friend. Why Akwa Okuku if he bring 10 million or 20 million? Eze Obi is Onye Eze Jesus' friend. Why if he bring 10 million or 20 million, make him 40? What will be their name? J-Pack is Onye Eze Jesus, your friend. Why if he provide 2 million or 3 million? You're looking for people that you don't know. We're talking about what will be their name? Ebuka Zion. Onye Eze is also your son. He used to come to Zion. I have the video. Why not if he provide 50 million for that billion that you have? 100 million. He will take like 50. Akwa Okuku will take 30. Eze Obi will take 30. Yes. Zion or Satan still have bulk money, so you should provide 50 million. This is how you go, because it's your son. When you claim that you deliver other people, as long as you cannot deliver Onye Eze Jesus, you did not deliver Onye Eze Jesus, you come to your church, finish. There's a Buddha say, 10. And whenever the man came to your church, you could give him money. He could not deliver him. So who can you deliver? If you cannot, those people, they can't come to me. If they meet, nobody meets me and remain the same. Nobody meets me and remain the same. I know they make them smart. Onye Eze was in adoration. Mr. Ibu came there and go and die. We have people that you prophesy, they go to America and die. You won't talk about it. See, listen to me. Why I'm making this video now, for you to know that if I say something, it will happen. Mark my word, Ebuka must suffer. Light it down. He must suffer. And then he must suffer for what he did to me. And then how about the others? Gather all the whole people that you know. Gather all the whole prayer water. All of you, go and pray. Pray very well. Fast for 1,000 years. I promise you, he must suffer. That day will come. I will remember it to you like this. Because of what? It's the power of God. You want to tell people, this man is doing spiritual work. This man, are you a prophet? You're not a prophet. You're a common evangelist who does not know a light. You're hiding on that shade of Mbaka before Nekwadi. Come, stand on your own. Let us do it man on man. Now come out from the Catholic. Stand as a man. If you're a prophet, you're nothing. You're only hiding as a baby. Coward. You're looking for police, looking for lawyer. They are telling you, leave our church, leave our church. Leave our church. You're hiding. What are you doing in the Catholic? Catholic had a Obama. Catholic say what you're doing is not the Catholic. So leave them and stand on your own. Why are you afraid? You're afraid. You're a coward. I am on my own. Nobody. No pastor. Give me no one naira. I am more than 1 million level. 1 million Ebuka Obi. 1 million. You know, as Ebuka or making Obiog. Listen. That our battle we will fight last year. We will see fight at 2025. That my page one I had last year. Akosayo, Ebuka Obi, and many of you, you know, say many of you come down the Lord, Abi. Jepa, you don't wrong. Wait them. Just talk about don't know. Most of your hit men, most of them don't run. Of course, Ofeke, Abi. By the time next 2024, when I talk, come talk again. You're going to say be man. 2025, when I talk, come and talk. You're going to say be man. If we survive, if all of you survive, enter next year. When I talk, come and talk. You're going to say spiritual world will be guiding them. Spiritual world will not be guiding them. I fasted for 1 year. No break. 1 year. Before I can challenge me, I must fast that 1 year. I spent 4 years on the mountain. I read the Bible 7 times. If you are away from Ebuka, we have read the Bible 3 times. You cannot worship Satan. Nobody read the Bible from beginning to end. We worship men. If anybody can prove that man is not a Satan, come and take us in Lagos Island. Ebuka, if you can come and prove to us that man is not a Satan, tell me to prove to you that man is a Satan. Come and let us do as a challenge. If you hear me call your name again, you know I'm a fake prophet. You're not a Zion. What you are, you're a Zion of Satan. Why I'm saying it, you can't do nothing. Nothing you can do. You're too small. You're a kid. If you try otherwise, God will kill you. I came. I sacrificed everything. You're shouting, you're a virgin. You're this. Do you know what we sacrifice? We sacrifice everything to cause man and deliver our people. You're there confusing them. And what do you know? Where are you when men are fighting war? Only me stand and fought all the occultic people. Fought all the native doctor. You're not there to. After the battle ended, I said, I want to go and rest. Idiot came out. When you want to you see, that thing that he did is taking the glory of God. Have all the money. But if you can never, he will never have rest till you confess what you're doing. It's me and you. Akwa Okuku, they don't come out. You're still deceiving people. Me and Ebuka Obi Zion, 2024, that battle that was fought last year, we will fight it 2024. By that time, Zion, if you don't mind your business, we'll help you to close that your 0 meters. Come and reply me now. You know, let's destroy business and does not. We play one shot. ESCC, Chua was on Obodo. I've been messing my eye, neighbor skin in the mud. You know, if you talk this time, are they ready to lose your brand? I'd have nothing to lose. I've lost everything. I have nothing to lose. Mpiaga pity. Inu Davidia way, but I knew Davidia way. I knew Davidia way. Is you know him on the police. Call police. I was in detention for 21 days. The police people that carried me, the became fall from up. I almost died. He carried me. I said they don't want to do with me. They want to take me to Panty. Let me tell you the history now. If you want, I will give you the evidence. I was in Panty. When I prayed, everywhere checked. Go and ask question. People that shot me gun in 2005, they came from Anambra State and they went. They carried my car. All of them was captured and brought to Lagos. They killed them. His case is the panty. I will tell you where the case is. So we're not afraid of police. We have been seeing police. We have been seeing case. We have been seeing something. What I know that if you arrest me, I will arrest you back. You have no right to arrest me. Ebuka be too. You can't, even in Mbaka can't arrest me because Mbaka is not. You don't. Bible belong to Judah. Me go to arrest all of you. If I want to make case, I will start suing you. Come and prove how Mary became mother of God. You think I cannot sue you? You answer Zion. You're deceiving people. Zion are for Jews. Start knowing it now. Tell him I said so. Get a lawyer. Get sense. Those useless, your useless lawyer. Tell them that I said that all of you that there, you're worshiping Satan, you don't belong to Zion. You should answer the Roman Catholic. Zion are for people of Jew. Go and type on the internet. What is the meaning of Zion? Who are the Zions? No, check on the internet in Dara. Zion, you move. You know, worship Mary. Queen of heaven. A woman that came down here on this altar. When I raised a little girl from inside to leave the girl to die. My leg there for grand. If not, so let me not see tomorrow. Do you know how many people have saved their life? Is it because we are not bringing out the secret? Mbaka say there's some secret you're going to hide, but I'm going to bring out some secret. Only what I want you to be sharing. When I'm bringing those videos, share it. I was telling Onye Eze. It is a pity. The same way I'm warning you. They will tell you, don't go to pastor. Don't go to... See, let me tell you. The reason why they are called Jesus Christ fake, because the one that you worship in Roman Catholic is fake. The Jesus you worship in Ebuka church is fake. The Mary you worship as a rosary is fake. But the real Jesus is called Yeshua. It's not Jesus' name. His name is Jesus. It's a black one. So that one